Today on Wrestling with Lynja, we're having a smackdown. Homemade versus boxed hamburger helper. The ingredients are oil, yellow onion, salt, pepper, garlic, bacon, ground beef, white wine, chicken stock, heavy cream, hot sauce, hot paprika, bay leaf, elbow pasta, American cheese, and grated cheddar cheese. We start our prep work by mincing 6 garlic cloves, dicing 1 large onion, and finely chopping 5 strips of bacon. We grab a pot, add 1/4 cup of oil, add our diced onion, a pinch of salt and pepper, and cook until the onion is light brown. Next, we add our garlic and cook until fragrant. Then we add 1 pound of ground beef and the bacon and continue to cook until the beef is brown. Then we add 1 cup of white wine and cook for 10 minutes. Our next step is to add 3 cups of chicken stock, 1/4 cup of hot sauce, 2 teaspoons of hot paprika, 1 bay leaf, and bring it to a boil. Next, we add 8 ounces of elbow pasta for 9 minutes. Finally, we add 5 slices of American cheese, 1½ cups of grated cheddar cheese, and stir until melted. And now it's ready to serve. This is ours, and this is the box. Let's see if we can fool Keith Davis.
So just by looking, I would say this is homemade, this is boxed. Oh, this one's so much better.
That's the homemade one, Dad.
Oh,